What did we do? We just registered the car, and then now we're walking to.
The sand park.
Uh,
Make
yes.
sure to take off your boots
Okay.
when you're in the sand park.
Make sure we go there before 11. We
And
come
make
back.
sure to take off your boots before you go to the sand park.
Okay, that's it. There. Go, go, go.
Where is it?
There. This one. Oh. Oh, there. That way. Oh, look at the left. Look at me. Oh, look at me while you walk. Come on, I'll show you guys this new park because the weather is nice. Oh, because you're doing
My
live.
swimming is not yet.
Okay, what time is your swimming?
11:30.
All right, so oh, look at me. Show. Okay, you have to tell us what you're doing. Come on.
Playing?
Oh,
No,
show.
I'm holding things.
Oh, give it to me.
No, I'm
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, di here. Michael, oh, look. Okay, hey, come here muna. Where's the entrance? Do you know the entrance? Hi, here. Michael, you can come here. Ay, this one. Hoy. Here. This one, oh, you can enter here. No? Okay. Oh, here. It's open here, Michael. This, see?
I'm going to play in the sand park.
All right. Here. This one, that was crazy. Here, Michael. Mommy can't fit there. Crazy. Here, Michael, can you climb up here? Oh, give it to me. Give me the ano. Otherwise, you won't be able to. Huh? Okay. Huh? Okay. Here, look at this, Michael. I don't remove your shoes. Ay, 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 ay.
I'll go in.
Ay, 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 ay.
It won't be there. I'm like 9. I'm like over slowly.
Okay, let's open duck and frog.
Nona's watching you. Say, ciao, Nona.
Ciao, Nona.
Look, the friend kisa Nona.
Let's play with duck and frog.
Okay. Oh. Mommy will sit there, okay? Or you, I told you.
Can you hold these?
Put it inside. Do you want to? Okay. And do you want to remove your jacket or keep it on? Make sure, it's 10:34. You only have less than an hour, okay? Michael, there's a little boy there. Wait for the. You can climb. You can climb up there. Huh? Okay. All right. Woo! And now, that one looks nice. Can you climb up there? Not yet. Wait for me. Ay, 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 ay. Michael, oh, Diyos ko po. Ay, 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 ay. What is it? Come on. Where are you going? Ano ba yan? Ang likot mo naman, anak. Psst, here, oh!
Now duck and frog, where there is duck and frog going now.
Okay.
Duck is now going.
So here. Look at that. There's another slide there.
Duck
There,
and frog are now
You have to decide where you're staying, anak. Go. Ready? Crazy. You're scared? Ay, 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 ay. Kept following you everywhere. You have to stay in one area, anak. You have to stay in one area. Ay, ay, ay. Careful, ah. Michael, it's hard naman to carry this, boots of yours. Okay, what is it? It's not a slide. Oh. You're so dirty now. Careful, ah. Careful. Careful. Ay, careful. There's a little girl. Ay, ay, ay. Diyos ko po. Look at your,
Now, let's. We're going.
Ah.
Eli, look, it's bigger.
Ay, ay, ay. Michael, tell me where you're going to stay. So I can put this down. It's very hard to carry them always and keep following you. Where do you want to stay? Here. All right.
Frog is going to
Ay.
have a play.
Huh?
Frog is
Ay, 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 ay.
going to jump.
Ay, it's so cold naman. So cold.
Put my boots on.
Yeah, it's because it's very cold. Told you. Ay, baliktad. Ay, 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 what's that? Look what you're putting on. Now, you cannot remove your anymore. Oy, check it out. Yes, well done. Very good. Put down what you're holding. Too many sands on your boots, yes. What do you call that here? Boots or? What do you call this? Boots or?
My feet are not cold.
Why?
Just remove the feet. No.
Hoy, keep following you, anak ah. Diyos ko naman. Stay in one place, anak. Stay in one place. Do you wanna go there, anak? Oh, look.
Duck is red. Frog and duck are ready for the red shot. The duck is ready to slide.
11 o'clock. What's this? 11:20. We need to walk there now, okay? Or 11:25. Wow. Wow. Is that a zigzag? Wow.
Wow, duck is in red shot. Let's remove the sandals here. Now frog is ready to play.
Okay.
Okay, duck is going to play with.
Okay.
Now, duck said, let's go to there. He's going to there. Let's follow duck where is he going? Duck needs the ball in the swimming pool.
All right.
I think duck needs the ball. Look at duck's toes. Now duck is ready to go. Now.
Come. Are you gonna go that way? Look, it's an adventure, anak. Diba we have that in the province? It's called a well. Water pump. Water pump. But there's no, it's just Ah, yeah. It should have water to wash. I think it's real. Come on.
Now let's see this.
There. Do you want to go there? That way. Look, it's an adventure. Look. This one. That one. You start from there and you climb up there. Go, go, go. It's an adventure. Go. There. Okay? Okay. You have to tell me what you're doing.
Mommy, duck's going.
Oh, I can.
Duck's having an adventure.
All right. Ready? Wow. Can you stand on that one? Wow. Can you do that? Nope. Oh, come on. Okay. Michael, stay here. Aray ko po, Diyos ko po. Aray ko po, Diyos ko. Ay, why ko po, Diyos ko.
Mommy,
Yes?
duck needs help.
Oh, no.
Super frogs.
Go.
He got it.
Okay, wait, I'll fix your hair. I'll fix your hair.
Now,
Okay.
where's duck?
Look.
Oh, look, it's duck. Who is going to save frog?
Who?
Super duck. Duck, save it. Now,
Tik, 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 tik.
duck save it.
Okay.
Now, where is duck up? Now, where's duck up to? Now, where's duck up to?
Oh, no.
Did I get it?
Where you going? Diyos ko naman.
Duck is
We
making
should have. One.
Duck is making music. Mommy, Duck is making music. Duck is making music. Now where's Duck up to?
Where are you going now?
Now Duck is off to adventure.
Come on.
Now Duck is now going to have one big step, and then another step, another one big step.
Wow. Can you do that? A bigger one. Wow, you did it!
And back to the sand.
Okay. Two.
And now Frog is ready to play.
Sit on that one. Sit on that one.
Okay, your turn.
Go on then.
There's a seesaw there, anak ko. Careful! Ay, 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 ay. Ah, you can climb up there, oh. Wait lang, wait for your turn. There's a little girl there. Michael, wait for your turn. There's a baby there. Ah, you're gonna go to this slide, okay. Okay, go. Ready? Get set.
Close your eyes, Duck and Frog.
Gonna be.
Duck and frog.
Close your eyes. Come on.
Duck and
You
frog.
did it.
Duck and frog slide down. Today's our life is Duck and Frog's adventure.
All right.
Duck and Frog's adventure.
Takes me back now. I'm like, oh, shut up. Yeah. Shut up.
Michael, wait for your turn.
Duck is ready to go in the bridge.
Okay, careful because it's. Whoa, careful. Whoa.
Watch out. He say, watch out, Duck and Frog.
Dali, somebody's on your back.
Can you say, watch out,
Somebody's
Duck and
behind
Frog?
you.
Can you
Okay,
say,
it's a.
Can you say, watch out, Duck and Frog?
Watch out, duck and frog. Can you do it?
Can use high feet.
Okay.
Watch out, Duck.
Okay, balance. Oh,
Duck is almost there, and Frog.
okay, go.
Frog is almost there.
Okay, you did it!
Now Frog is at,
Wait. Somebody's there, anak.
now Frog and Duck are at the seesaw.
Okay. It's cold. The sand is cold. You have to wear your shoes, anak. Otherwise, you're gonna be sick. Dali.
Now,
Oh, wait.
You want to go on and pull your head?
and Duck is Frog and gonna
Ay.
hold on.
Okay.
Hold on tight, Duck and
Oopsie.
Frog. He say, hold on tight, Duck and
Yeah, ho. Ay, hello. Up
up,
and down. Up and down.
up, and down. Up, and down. Up, and down. Duck and Frog are having in this down. The seat
Yes.
up and down. Up and down. Duck and Frog are having fun. And down. The sound. Up
All right.
and down. Up 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 and down.
Okay, off the guard.
And down.
Ay, hold on there. Ay, you're done also. Wow. You're done. Okay, try that one. That one. Oh. Climb up there. Come on.
Duck is very scared.
No, it's gonna be so much fun. Go there. That one.
Now going.
Dali. Here, not there. Where are you going? Michael. Oh. Gyro, Michael there. Come on. Go there.
No.
Hala, look at your ano na, oh.
No way.
Psst.
She was already on that.
Come. See, where this one? Where your wellies? Ay.
And Frog are going to play in this hole. Duck is dead. So I'm just pretending when Duck is dead. Duck is alive again.
All right.
Frog is dead. Now he's alive.
Okay, come on. Go there to the other side na. Here, Michael. Come on. Time is up na, almost. Dali. You haven't come here. Go there. Oh, there. Go. Come on. Come on. Oh, you can do it. Which one you gonna? Come on. Climb up. Go. You can do it. Ready? Give me the ano so you can hold on tight. Give it to me.
No,
We're not coming back here anymore. You're not. Give it to me. You can play with it with Ravi tomorrow. Oh, dali. This one you cannot bring home. This one you can bring home. Crazy.
Duck and Frog
Oh,
are
go.
very so scared.
Oh, you don't need to hold it. Mommy will hold it for you. Wow. Don't be scared. Okay, the other one. That one. Maybe this one will work. This one. This one, yeah. It's not too wobbly. Go. Yes, you can do it. Come on. Yes, anak. Go. I'll hold it for you. Go.
No, it's too high. I'm going to. Duck and Frog.
Try that. There's what. Look at the little boy, so they can do it. You can do. You can too. Anak, you can too. Yes. Just balance. Yes, balance.
I can't do it.
Yes, you
I'm
can.
going to. Forget
Forget about
about it.
Forget about it.
I'm going to.
Ang cute mo talaga. Okay. Forget about it. Cute.
Duck and Frog wants to go back to the south park.
Okay. You got less than 30 minutes, okay? Because it's 10:53 already. Your lesson is, what time is your swimming lesson? What time?
It's
What time is your swimming lesson?
11.
11? 11:30.
Is it time for my swimming lesson?
In less than 30 minutes.
Is it time for my swimming lesson now?
Not yet. Less than 30 minutes. Come on.
Duck and Frog are. I want Duck and Frog having adventure in my swimming pool.
Okay.
He's going to swim.
Okay. Michael, stay in one place if you don't to ano. Michael, come here. Ay. Crazy. Ay.
Frog are ready to have fun.
Oopsie.
Whee! Duck is having fun. Duck and Frog are saying whee!
Up and down. Up and down. You. Bug. Basta? Again. Ay.
Why they got time for this?
To stop them from.
Stop that.
Ano tawa? Ano yun, anak? Ay. I'll just sit there, okay? You have less than 30 minutes, okay?
Well, you play with Duck and Frog.
I'll sit in this bench, okay?
Duck and Frog.
You stay here, this way. Near mommy. Ay. Careful with that, ha? You're the excavator.
Duck and Frog are helping each other. Duck and Frog are helping.
Oh, sing na.
Duck and Frog are helping together.
Alright. You can use the other, ano. Come on. Ay. Sweat. Ay. Mm.
Oh! Hang on though, well done.
Should we run?
Well done. Well done. Halfway. Oh!
Michael, wait for your turn. Come, come.
You can, but we get the hat first. Let's run.
Michael, let's go. Oh, no. He wants to get down na. No, Michael, she wants to get down. Michael, come here. She wants to get down. Ah, she wants. Michael, come here. You don't like it, right? Because it says, come on. Come on, anak. Michael, wear your wellies. You can spin on your own, like the little girl. Go. Go. Ready, get set. Yeah. Spin like that. Twist. Yeah, twist your body. No, don't be scared. Look at the little girl. Ay, you're not there.
Mommy, look at this. Duck and Frog are having fun. Oh no, Duck and Frog are having fun.
Oh, the sun is out now.
Lucy, I think Duck and Frog are dizzy.
Yeah. You sit down na and then like the little girl.
Duck and Frog are. No, no, Duck and Frog are very dizzy.
Wear your wellies na. Look at your feet. Ala, it's gonna explode. No, look at this. Very red. There you go. Wear your. It's there on the bench. Yeah, go wear it. I'll wait here.
Mommy,
I'll look
spin
for
Duck-
them. Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
spin.
go wear it na.
Mommy, can you spin Duck and Frog a lot of time?
Okay, go, go, go.
Mommy, spin Duck and Frog
Oh, go na. Oh.
a lot of time.
Okay na.
Faster.
Oh, dali na. Wear it na. Go. Is it correct? No. I think, check it out. Is it correct? No, look at that. The Minecraft is on the, on the inner. It should be outside. Ay, 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 ay. That's why you cannot pull it out now. Oh, go properly.
Pardon? No. No. You're going to take your shoes off and go.
Spin, duck, and frog.
We're not taking our shoes off.
No, it's time na ha. It's 11:02.
Time to bring duck
We leave 11:20
Time for duck and frog to swim.
because you still need to
Can you call duck and frog for the swim? Can you call duck and frog for the spin?
Okay.
Swim. Can you call duck and frog for the swim?
Yeah, when it's time.
Hold it down.
Time to swim.
Oh,
Oh, fell down.
duck, hut. Okay.
Duck hurt himself.
Oh no, duck and frog are having fun. Whee! Duck and frog are having fun.
Duck and frog are having fun. You can sing that one.
Go,
Duck and frog are having fun. Can you sing it?
Can we spin them very
Oh, yeah.
fast?
Sing it muna.
3, 2, 1, go! Duck and frog are having fun. Duck and frog are having fun. Duck and frog are having fun. Duck and frog are having fun.
Yeah.
Can you show me duck and frog?
Not yet, because it's go. Go, sing na.
Duck and frog are having fun. Poor frog. Duck. Frog is the winner.
Oh.
Okay. Oh. Whoa, duck and frog. Oh, what's wrong? I think duck and frog are very dizzy. You say, I think duck and...
Frog are very dizzy.
Oh no! Is it time for my swimming?
20 minutes.
20.
Minutes.
Your swimming classmates are not here yet.
Yeah.
Why?
Because what's the time of you have rosy cheeks na anak.
Go, swing!
Swing.
Uh-oh, duck is the loser! Go, duck and frog. Go! Oh, duck and frog are having fun. And they're very
Sing. Duck and dali.
duck and
Frog.
are having.
Sing it.
Duck and frog are having fun. Duck and frog
Sipon.
are having fun. Duck and frog are
Duck and frog are having fun.
in the merry-go-round, in the spinning wheel, in the spinning thing, in the spinning thing. Kids are feeling dizzy. Duck and frog feeling dizzy. Duck and frog feeling dizzy.
Oy, Mike. He wants to play the run. Anak. Woo!
Duck and frog and me are
Michael.
Duck and frog and me are having fun. Duck and frog and me are having fun. Michael is feeling dizzy. Duck and frog.
Faster!
Duck and frog and Michael are feeling dizzy. Duck and frog and Michael are feeling dizzy. And now I feel, Mommy, I'm feeling dizzy.
Can you stand up?
Duck
Woo!
okay, can you spin duck and frog around?
No, I know. They wanna play now. Come on. Give them chance. Okay, come on.
Duck and frog have finished their
Your turn.
Sorry.
Come on. Dali, almost time for your swimming
I don't
lesson.
want to bring duck and frog for adventure.
No, but you cannot bring them in the pool, alright? Because they are pointed objects. They're hard. Won't allow. The teacher will not allow it. All right? Yes or no? Basta tayo you can sing that one, diba? Basta. The 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, what's this, Mom?
You sing it with the when you do it. Ay. Basta tayo Dali, sing it. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay. Louder. Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umagang kay ganda.
Oh, look.
Again, I want you to sing louder. 1, 2, 3, go. Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging...
Oh no, the floor is lava.
The floor is lava. Come on na.
Because the floor is lava. Can you say the floor is lava?
The floor is lava.
So you can be safe
Okay.
before you fall down the lava.
Huh? Look, what?
The floor is lava.
1, 2, 3. Look at me. 1, 2, 3.
Mommy, the floor is lava.
1, 2, 3. Look at me. Wait, 1.
Mommy, the floor is lava.
Huh?
Step
And smile at me.
Mommy.
Huh. Or not smile at all. Just look at me. Just look at me. Just look at me.
Can you see my
Yeah.
Am I still in life?
Yeah. You're still in live. Okay. Hi, guys. I'm here.
No, I'm just playing.
Okay. You tell
Oh
them.
no, the floor is lava. Duck and Frog need to step on each stone.
Okay.
Go. Okay. Quickly, Duck and can you say quickly, Duck and Frog?
You have to say it.
Quickly, Duck and Frog. The floor is lava.
Oh, wait.
Step on each stone so you can
Wait.
be safe.
Wait. Look.
Step on each stone so you can be safe.
Wait. I can see you. 1, 2, 3.
Step on each stone so you can be safe.
Ay.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to fall in the lava.
9. 11:09, anak. Come on.
Now Duck and Frog are
Michael. Ay. Michael, let's go na. Would you like to try that one?
I'm safe from the lava.
You're safe.
1, 2, 3.
I got saved from the lava.
Okay. Fix your hair.
Duck and Frog are having fun.
Huh? Look at me.
Duck and Frog are having fun.
Duck and Frog are having fun.
Okay, look at this. Duck and Frog are going to play in these. I'm making a grass for them. Now, ooh. Now,
Wait nga.
Duck is going down.
Ano ba yung laway mo?
Frog is joining in too.
Kung naging kulot ng ano mo, anak. Pangit.
I think they're going to have
I
fun.
think. 1, 2, look. 1, 2.
Duck is very, Frog is very dirty now. Okay, I better hide Frog. Can you hide Duck and Frog?
You will lose them. You won't be able to bring them home
Where is
anymore.
Duck and Frog?
All right. Michael, ano? There's a long queue there, anak. There's a long queue. Don't join na. Don't join na. Long queue eh. Michael, wait for your turn, ha?
Wash your hands.
Okay. Come on. Ay! Ay! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Michael. Michael, look.
Watch this, Mommy.
We wish you.
Mommy, watch this.
Okay, you have to play properly. Look at me.
Watch this.
Look at me muna. 1, 2. When I say look at me.
Watch this.
7 minutes we have to move na. Wow.
Like music, Mommy.
Okay. Oh, wow. Give me the other one. Ay. Oh.
They're dancing.
Dance.
There's no Duck and Frog are dancing.
Ay, you want to play?
Thank you. You want to do it?
You want to do it?
Good go. Hey,
Let's go in there.
Where? Okay. Ay, ano ba yan? Lagi na pupunta sa akin. Ano ba yan? Ay, Michael. Come here. Here, this way, this way.
Mommy, ride. Mommy, ride with me.
Ay.
Duck and Frog are swimming.
Okay, you have to face me. Wait. Here, come here. Face me muna. Here, in this way.
Duck and Frog are having
Michael, here, face me kasi.
Duck and Frog
Always.
are having fun.
Okay. You have to reverse. Face me.
Duck and Frog are having fun.
All right.
They're having fun in the swim.
Yes.
Huh?
Michael Pogi ang Ha?
They like it.
Come.
Duck and Frog.
You have to face me.
Tight, Duck and Frog.
Try to stand up and face me.
Hold on tight, Duck and Frog.
Ay, come here na. Dali, come here. Yes. Wait lang. You're gonna, okay, you wanna sit next to mommy? Oh, wait. Dali, dali. Hurry up, because, no, face mommy. Not like this.
Duck and Frog.
Wait. Climb, wait nga. Wait, stand up. Stand up. Wait. And then, you climb up from here. Oh, now, yeah, here, like that. Yes.
Duck and
Ay.
Hold on,
Go. No, you can face this one. You put it like this. Yes.
Duck and frog are having
Oh,
fun.
dali. Yeah. Ano ba yan, anak? Yes, like that. Yes. Well, look at mommy.
Duck and frog are having fun in the swing.
Yep, look at mommy. I'm sitting.
With duck and frog.
Look at
Duck
mommy.
and frog are having fun in there.
Look at mommy. 1, 2, 3, go.
Now duck and
Oh, look at mommy muna.
duck and frog say we. Now look at this. They screaming.
All right. Can you
Now
fix
what
your
is-
hair?
now-
Can you fix your hair?
Now what? Now what is duck
Fix
doing?
your hair to the left.
Now what is duck doing?
Huh?
He's helping frog. Is he helping frog?
It's like
Mommy,
this.
is he helping frog?
Look at mommy, how I'm
Mommy?
sitting.
Mommy, is he helping frog? I know.
Hmm. Oh no.
Duck is almost fall down.
La 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 la
Oh,
la
with
la la.
frog.
Can you fix your hair? I don't like your hair.
I think I need suns. I need suns. I need sunglasses.
He just shows other kids, yeah. Other kids with the glasses. You have lots of sunglasses there, right?
Mommy,
Do you have lots of sunglasses at home? Yes or no?
Mommy,
Oh.
duck and frog are having that. Look, I found Sainsbury's.
Yep.
Is it time for my swimming lesson?
5 minutes.
Your teacher is not here. Your teacher's not here.
Mm-hmm.
I'll relax.
Just like mommy. Okay.
I want to relax.
Okay, go. Yeah, like that. Yes. No, like that, yeah. Like that.
I want to relax.
What do you mean?
Mommy.
I cannot see you. You have to be like that. Come on. No, like like this. You put your back in there. Yes, like that. Yes. Yes. Oh, move a little bit. No, because move a little bit there. Yes, like that. And then now, yes. Now. Now, your feet here. Yes, like that. Okay, yes, like that. Yes. Yes, like that. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Now look at me. You're relaxed? Cute. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ang cute.
3, 2, 1. Let's relax and be.
You like the swing?
Yes.
Because it's not, you don't feel dizzy with this, na?
And there's no rain.
There's no rain. What do you mean there's no rain?
On Saturday it's not raining today.
Yeah, it's a good day. It's a beautiful day. Can you sing that song?
It's a beautiful day.
Galing mo talaga. That's correct. It's a beautiful.
So, Mama.
Huh?
Oh, wait.
Ay, they're going na, anak. We go na? What?
Just removing the sand.
Oh, come on. Hurry up.
Now, much better.
Much better. Kasi, go.
Now, another one. No more sand.
Okay. It's a beautiful. Hey, face me. Yes, face me.
Who's going to lead the swim?
I will. Go na. Sit na. Oh, dali.
I'll relax.
Oh, face me. That side. Go to that side. Yes. Yes.
And I'll play with duck and frog.
Oh, hold on tight.
Hold it for. Can you say hold it tight, duck and
Hold
frog?
on tight, duck and frog.
They're saying.
Ooh.
They're saying wee.
Ready? Get set.
Wee. They're very so happy because they like to have fun in there. Wee. Frog is having fun and saying
You want
wee.
you want
Duck is
harder?
copying frog.
No.
I
Just
want it higher.
higher.
Whee! Duck and Frog want it higher. Duck and Frog want it like it's higher.
Ready? Get set.
Woo! Duck and Frog are having fun. Woo! So high. I think my teacher's almost there.
Are you excited now for your swimming lesson? 7 minutes. Ay, what time is it now? It's 20. It's 23. Let's go. You have 7 minutes. Crazy. Come on. Dali. Gonna start na. We have to get there. Come on. Come on, come on.
Come on, Duck and Frog.
We missed the time. Oh my God.
Sorry.
Sorry for.
Only the time.
Okay. Now we're going back to the. We just have to get our bag.
And after that, we can go back to the sand park.
No, we don't have time. That's why we came here early so that you can play.
After you
We're
do
given only 2 hours.
after I do my swim, I can play in the sand
No, no more na.
park.
If you want, you can play in the sand park in where? Oh, come on. Go, 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 walk. Walk there, walk.
Come on, Duck and Frog, let's have a swim with you. Duck and Frog want to have a swim.
Oh, dali, dali. You know where? Which way? Go, move forward.
I'll tell to my teacher.
Mm.
I did my playing the sand park.
All right.
It's a short walk to there.
Okay, now that we go then to the entrance.
Bye bye, everybody. Please subscribe where we're going with Duck and Frog.
Okay, go.
Okay, let's see.
Wait lang.
Finish.
Not yet. We're going into your ano pa.
Bye-bye, everybody. Please subscribe for more Duck and Frogs adventures.
Again, can you say it again?
Bye-bye, everybody. Please subscribe for more.
Oh, look.
Please subscribe for more Duck and Frogs adventures. Press finish.
Wait lang. We have to go back
Please
there.
subscribe for
We have to go back there.
more Duck and Frogs
Gali!
adventures.
Your time is up.
Please subscribe. Bye-bye, everybody.
Wait lang, we have to go here. We go inside. And then we go to the pool.
Say bye-bye, everybody. I'm finished. Bye-bye, everybody.
Now we have to get ready for your...
Swimming lesson. Bye-bye, everybody. Please subscribe for more Duck and Frogs adventure. Please subscribe for more Duck and Frogs adventure. I'm finished.
Yeah. We're walking there. I should walk there.
Please subscribe for more Duck and.
Oh yeah, go na. Go inside.
Please subscribe for more Duck and Frogs adventure.
All right.
Can you press finish?
Oh, wait. Look where you're going.
Mommy, press finish, please. Please press
Wait lang. Look at me.
finish.
Wait lang.
What did it mean? Where did it mean?
Jesus, go inside.
Did we pay for the parking?
Yeah, I already put it inside. I already registered it.
Orphanage.
Okay. Oh. Uy, 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 wait.
How long has
Not yet. It's not yet. Is it time? Not yet time, anak. It's only 11:27. Three more. 3 more. 3 more minutes.